Hi, this is Tanya Mesh with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. And this is part 3 of our series of unpacking the circus, wild animals, and safari theme. So I've already packed up our back to school theme and taken that downstairs, and I'm making room for the rest of our circus theme because previously I have left out little pieces and individual items of previous themes, like our bee theme has been sitting here on the shelf. So I'm going to clear off some of these shelves to be able to arrange this hot mess into a more organized way. This is where baskets and trays come in handy. I'm going to put these material items into a actual plastic garbage bag, and I've ran out of room inside my bin, so I'm going to put these in the garbage bags and store which on top of our themed bins. I have some table games that I brought in from our dining room where we have a kiddie table set up, and I had let the children play with these puzzle pieces in the daycare room, and I'm going to take those back and store them back in the dining room. I have Lincoln logs put away from our camping theme, and then I got this little small motor exercise, little sort of puzzle at where was it? Ollie's. And that was a great deal on that. So anyway, that's going to go with our puzzles. I'm going to store these larger Lincoln logs in a Ziploc baggie. This is a little bug and flower peg and pegboard activity that I've been leaving out. I left it through for our camping theme. The kids, it's summer, so this went for the whole season. And I'm going to put that in our flower shop theme, which is around May. Well, we're downsizing. It's getting there. I see some empty spaces. This is a basket full of baby toys that we don't need, and really it's just taking up space on the shelf. So I'm covering it with a clean trash bag to keep it clean while it's in storage. We're going to remove that from this room as well. It's not needed. It's after 11 o'clock, and I feel like I'm packing up to move. Now, every switching of themes is not this involved. I just happen to have a lot left over from previous themes from all summer long, that little odds and ends that got left out and needs to be put away. So I'm just going to take care of that tonight. Okay, to the basement I go with my loot, and I'm going to check on our laundry while I'm down there. I'm going to move some of the items that's left in this larger bin, put them into this bin and join them so I can have this one to store stuff in and take it downstairs. And what I have in here are things for the Play-Doh table, some cool circus animals that I got at Target one year. I'll get those out on another day and show you. I love them. They're great. Some summertime books that I don't need in this bin. I'll put that in another bin downstairs. These are like a camping one, and you'll be coming around the mountain, the wonderful things you'll be, and take me home country roads. So that's not really going with our theme. It was in this box because it's summer stuff and I don't need it, so in the storage it goes. Okay, I do want to show you these. These are what's called cutouts by Carson DeLosa Publishing, and go to carsondelosa.com, and I'll have to check and see if I've already, no, don't look like I've laminated those. But this is really fun. If you laminate these, you can either put them on popsicle sticks, large craft sticks. You can put magnetic tape on the back, use them on a whiteboard. With the craft sticks, you can use them as puzzle puppets at circle time to keep the children's attention. You can use these for counting exercises, all kinds of fun things. So I highly recommend getting the cutouts from Carson DeLosa. And no, they're not sponsoring. I just really love their products. These, this is a little stack of little cutouts that I got at the dollar store one year. And these also, and when I say dollar store, I mean Dollar Tree, dollar store, any of those dollar kind of places. This one has a stack of bananas and monkeys. All right, the last thing in the bin is this little ice cream bucket that I recycled. It had little circus animals on the front. Thought it's cute, so it's going to be a storage bin. Okay, there's more things I can remove off the shelves. These have been here for months, really even years, and it's time I can recycle those out, put them in storage, and just work on our current theme. Okay, we're getting there. That bin is empty, and these are all full of things that I do need to keep up here full time. And that has some little soft blocks in it. So let's go ahead and see what we can fill up on these shelves. Probably gonna wipe them down first. Boy, that was a good call to wipe those shelves off, because you should have heard the sand that I was wiping off of mostly these here. The children step up on these lower little cubbies to try to reach up and get stuff off the top ledge. And I guess they've brought in sand from the back porch. So now I'm going to be vacuuming. You didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you? Okay, I got the room pretty much swept with a little shark vacuum cleaner that I have. And now comes the fun part. I'm going to try to see which one of my trays fit in these spaces, and then I'll add to the trays. That fits. So I'm joining some more things here, some century balls and some century play activities. I'm going to stick them in this in here. This is a little ball like ramp. Anyway, that'll fit. So it frees me up my little basket, and I can put something else in the basket. Now, a lot of times you'll be able to find these style of baskets at thrift stores or yard sales, but the only problem with having them with the handles, especially the large handles, is they don't fit on these kind of cubby shelves. They're too tall. So this one's going to go on top. You can also use cookie sheets. See, fit in this. Those are great for using things with magnets on them. I think this large basket here will fit one of these spaces here. It comes off the shelf a little bit, but I think it's going to be okay. What do you think? So this little section here is supposed to be my circle time basket, but really it is a lot of my flat books that I have a little child who keeps tearing, and look, all of my books are torn. So this is my hiding spot for books that I don't want torn up or has gotten torn up, and I have a bag over here full of pieces that I need to sit down one weekend and just tape up. So that's what that hot mess is, but it's just going to have to stay there. There's no dealing with that tonight. That's going to be another day. But I do have a storage drawer system. I got it at Michael's at a discount. No, I take it back. I got it at Sam's Club for $25 a piece, and I've got 3 of them. And I put the alphabet, 1 drawer for each letter. And so I pulled out E for elephant. And these are some of the pieces. I've got flashcards. This came in a little preschool book. I've got some Melissa and Doug letter puzzles. I got some foam puzzles, or foam letters that came in the bath section at Christmas time at Walmart. Now this R goes on the back of this puzzle here. And there's another puzzle. These are wooden. and then some flashcards. And so I use that as circle time. So this is going to be right here near my chair. So I can just grab it easily. Alright, let's see what we can do with these. My son got me this tray at Walmart. I think because it's a little on the heavier side, I'm going to leave it next to my chair so I can assist the children easily on getting that on and off the shelf. I think this one is going to be off there too much. I can see the kids just flipping it like that and it flipping all of the toys off, so I'm going to put it on the top shelf. That way I can push it back a little bit on the back side. I don't have to worry about it being flipped as much. And then I have the children let me help them get things down off the top shelf. Okay, this is what I got at a yard sale this past month. These I got as a set at Walmart. I think it was like $10, $9.99. And let's see if we're going to need this. I got this for my ocean theme, but let's see if we're going to need these. Okay, I see a spot already for these little block toys. Let's start with them. Oh, it's not going to fit, so he's going to go up here. This elephant is a little pull toy. And then when you pull it, the block that's up here pops up and down a little bit. It's really cute. I think Mr. Giraffe is going to be cute in this little basket down here. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that's going to be the perfect thing for this basket. Our blocks for our buddies. Little elephants. And I have a pumice that I need to wash up tomorrow. I think this will go cute in this one. Yeah, this could be so cute. And it's colorful on that bottom shelf. Here's a little tin can that I had one time. Oh, Hershey, PA. Wonder if my daughter brought that back from when she went to Hershey Park. I don't remember. I've had it for years and years and years. I love it. I do make the kids be careful with it, though. They're not going to step on it and things like that to bend it up. So, anyway, isn't it beautiful? They love to take the lids off of things like this and put the lids on and put little toys inside. Children love that activity. I think we're going to have to move this over and put our letter E on top of our trays here. Are y'all bored out of your gourd, or are you finding this interesting? All the little behind the scenes things that teachers and child care providers have to go through to put a classroom together. Let's put stuffed animals in this one basket. Okay. This little fella. This little teether. Baby teether. I know some of the kids are going to still like that. This is one of those little musical things. Well, actually, it's a vibrating little hot air balloon with an elephant on it. I'll probably hang that on the fence, on the little gate later. But he's going in here for now. I can do a few things tomorrow with the kids are present. So cute. So cute. Look at that. So cute. Okay. We're dwindling down, guys. Let's put this puzzle on the cookie sheet. There you go. That's cute. Okay, these elephants will fit on this tray. Okay, back on the shelf you go. Okay, these little circus pieces I'm going to put with that little tin can on the cookie sheet. Maybe I won't put that there. The puzzle. I think maybe I'll put that up on top. And I can help the children with this. We'll see. That'll work. Oh man, guys, my tea is running low. Oh boy, midnight hour is upon us. Okay, this tray, I had put some brown construction paper in the bottom of it. I think there's some crayon markings or something under it, but felt would be really good on this. But these little animals are going to go on there. That's what they look like. Got these two little scragglers here, so I guess they're going to go in our letter E bin, our little E drawer. Ta-da! All except for napkins that goes in the kitchen. We're done. Can y'all believe I got all of that cleared away? Felt like I was in the middle of packing up and moving. I did pull this new to us table out more so in the middle of the room than what had been, and that is going to give the kids access to these shelving units, and this is what it looks like. So we've got our numbers 1 through 10 elephants, our large safari animals, our small ones, our giraffe with the numbers and colors. Got our large little people animals, our little Curious George circus, another little circus. This is empty. The bucket's empty, but they'll take that around the room and put things in it. Got my circle time basket, circle time letter E. I could probably put these trays away tomorrow. I got this little puzzle, a basket of stuffed animals, some interactive toys here with their matching blocks, and a Jeep. You need a Jeep to go on a safari, right? I could leave this box here out year round. I bought this at Walmart. It's a really cute box, but the pieces are really too small for my kiddos, so I really don't use it other than just decoration. And that is a little bead. What is that? A bead sorter? Not really a sorter, but maze. A bead maze. I've got the train tables open so they can pick their basket or tray and put it on the table. Got our little ring toss ready. We'll probably take that on the back porch tomorrow. I've got my letter E poster ready for the poem for an elephant story. And I got our books set out. Here's what our books are. Got some summer and some safari, some animals. Curious George. You could do Tigger and some of the characters off of Winnie the Pooh. So I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below if YouTube will let you. Thanks. Have a great week.